Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick tip in Heartopia. Sometimes we use food as house decorations like this, or maybe there are a quest that asks us to place food inside our home, but the problem is other players maybe can't eat, and we don't want to lose our food. Here's how to make your food decorations not consumable by other players. Okay, first just open the smartwatch like this, and then go to settings like this, and then next just choose home settings, this one, and then just scroll down, and then on the consume food options, this one, just change it to self only like this, and if you want to change it again so it can be consumed by others, you can just change it directly to anyone or friends only like this. And okay, maybe that's it. Now your food decorations are safe, and only you that can consume them. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.